The Samsung Galaxy S27 Pro could be one of the most interesting additions to Samsung's 2027 smartphone lineup. New leaks and concept images are pointing toward a major design change, especially around the camera system. And if these reports turn out to be accurate, Samsung may be preparing a phone that looks noticeably different from the Galaxy S26 generation. Expected to arrive in early 2027, the Galaxy S27 Pro is rumored to sit between the regular S27 models and the top and S27 Ultra. That could make it an appealing option for people who want flagship-level features without paying ultra-level prices. The biggest change may be the design. Instead of the camera arrangement used on recent Galaxy S phones, the S27 Pro is rumored to feature a vertical camera layout. The concept shows two main lenses positioned vertically, along with a light bar. This gives the phone a cleaner and more organized appearance. Samsung could be taking inspiration from the design language used by other major smartphone makers while still giving the S27 Pro its own identity. The simpler camera arrangement may also make the back of the phone look less crowded. But this change may not be only about looks. Reports suggest the new camera design could avoid magnets in the camera area. That could potentially help reduce interference with certain components and accessories. It may also improve compatibility with wireless charging and magnetic accessories, although this detail remains unconfirmed. Moving to the display, the Galaxy S27 Pro is rumored to feature a 6.47-inch screen. That would put it in a comfortable size range for people who want a large display without going for an oversized Ultra model. The display is expected to deliver the sharp visuals, strong colors, and smooth experience normally associated with Samsung's premium phones. Whether Samsung adds any major display upgrades remains unknown, but the screen could still be one of the phone's strongest features. Performance could be another major selling point. The S27 Pro is rumored to use either the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro or Samsung's Exynos 2700, depending on the market. With up to 12 GB of RAM, the phone could have plenty of power for gaming, multitasking, video editing, and demanding applications. The exact chipset choice will be important because Samsung has historically used different processors in different regions. Real-world performance, battery efficiency, and thermal management will ultimately determine how much of an upgrade these new chips provide. Then there is the camera. A 200-megapixel main camera is one of the most exciting specifications currently being rumored for the S27 Pro. If Samsung manages to combine that sensor with strong image processing, the phone could produce highly detailed photos, especially in good lighting. However, the S27 Pro is not expected to replace the S27 Ultra. Instead, it could be positioned as the more balanced option. The Ultra model may continue to offer more advanced zoom, additional camera hardware, and other premium features. The Pro could give up some of those extras while keeping many of the features that matter most to everyday users. That positioning could make the S27 Pro particularly interesting. Rather than forcing buyers to choose between a basic Galaxy S model and an expensive Ultra, Samsung could create a middle option with premium performance, a high-end camera, a large display, and a more manageable price. Battery life could also be important. A 5000 mAh battery is rumored for the device, which should provide enough capacity for a full day of typical use. Actual battery life will depend on the processor, display, software, and Samsung's optimization, so the final results will only be clear after launch. As for the release, Samsung is expected to introduce the Galaxy S27 series in early 2027. The S27 Pro, if it becomes an official model, could be one of the most closely watched phones in the lineup. For now, none of these specifications or design changes should be treated as confirmed. Leaks and concepts can change before a product reaches the market. Still, the idea is exciting. A redesigned camera system, powerful next-generation hardware, a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 5000 mAh battery, and a premium design could make the Galaxy S27 Pro a very strong middle ground in Samsung's flagship family. If Samsung gets the pricing right, this could become the Galaxy S model that offers the best balance between features and value. What do you think about the rumored Galaxy S27 Pro design? Would you choose the Pro over the S27 Ultra if it offered most of the important features at a lower price? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Samsung news, leaks, and smartphone updates.